My name is Jillian, and I look at spider vaginas. But before we can talk about spider vaginas, we first have to talk about Alvars. Red Bank's Alvar State Natural Area is one of Wisconsin's greatest natural treasures. Alvars are only found in 5 regions across the globe: Estonia, Ireland, England, Sweden, and the Great Lakes region. Globally, Alvars are listed as a threatened habitat type, but in the state of Wisconsin, they're listed as endangered. Alvars are defined by their incredibly shallow soils and limestone dolomite bedrock underneath, giving way to dynamic and extreme conditions. Alvars may experience flooding, drought, or below freezing temperatures all within 1 year. Researchers have studied alvars globally, but what we know about Red Bank's alvar and Wisconsin alvar is almost zero. So in my thesis work, I set out to learn 2 things: what spiders live at Red Banks, and how has land management impacted spider community composition. So we sampled for as many spiders as possible across 5 different sites, including alvar grassland, alvar woodland, and degraded alvar. Sampling methods include shaking out plants and sucking up spiders with a professional straw, as well as burying pea cups in the ground and hoping the spiders fall into their demise. We also took data on plant species in the surrounding area, as well as their percent cover and their height. So what does this have to do with spider vaginas? Well, to identify what spider species I have, I take them back to the lab and identify them by looking at, well, their vaginas. Just as every human has a unique fingerprint, every spider species has a unique vagina. So, what spiders live at Red Banks? Well, we found 173 species, 15 of which are considered state records, meaning they've never been before found in the state of Wisconsin. What about land management? Well, land management at Red Banks focuses on invasive species removal, mowing, logging, and prescribed burning. And we found that as land managers use these methods to shape the plant communities, those plant communities each hosted a distinct and different spider community. For example, our grassland alvar had a different spider and plant community than our woodland alvar. Thus, spider communities are reflective of their plant communities. We also found that plant structural diversity was more influential in spider community composition than spider species diversity alone. By answering these questions and understanding the relationship between spiders and the environment, not only are we providing a foundation of research for the future of research of Wisconsin alvar, but we're also understanding the impacts of land managers and how those impacts are felt throughout the ecological web. Spider vaginas are key to understanding Wisconsin alvars. Thank you.